In 2020, the West Virginia Department of Transportation has continued to move forward, catching up long underfunded road maintenance activities in all 55 counties.
It was a tough year for sure, but the work the division accomplished moved us forward and put us in a better place to begin 2021.
Everybody has to be a little bit more compassionate, towards, your fellow worker now, because, this is a big deal. This isn't something that, anyone has ever, went through. So there's not like this is how we do this. There's no playbook to get through a pandemic that is all over worldwide.
We have a lot of wonderful employees, talented employees that do make masks. I've had boxes sent in to me of employees making masks. The one I'm currently wearing was made out of the Clarksburg area.
This has been a long time coming, and we're standing here today in the first 4-lane highway in Wyoming County in the history of West Virginia.
Yeah, watch you don't follow, buddy. Hold on, stay there.
And it has the state embroidered on it, WVDOT. Very proud to wear that mask, and I wear it quite a bit.